Using multiple credit cards on Amazon for a single transaction is not directly supported. But you can add multiple cards as payment methods and select which one to use at checkout. This is a great way to manage your budget, as you can use different cards for different accounts, such as a business account, a spending account, and a family account. By doing so, you can keep your expenses organized and stay within a certain budget for each account. Additionally, using multiple cards can help you maximize rewards, such as cashback or rewards for specific categories. By splitting your purchase across multiple cards, it can also be useful when using gift cards or prepaid cards with small balances, as you can use them in conjunction with another card to complete a purchase. To add multiple cards or gift cards as payment methods, simply go to your account settings, select Add Payment Method, and follow the prompts to add as many cards as you want. There is also a dedicated section for gift cards, where you can add Amazon gift cards or other types of gift cards to use on future purchases.